All right, so welcome back to the course. This is just going to be a bonus video just showing you how to send from wallet to wallet. And this will apply for exchange to exchange, wallet to exchange, and of course, wallet to wallet. This is just something you'll need to be aware of because, the strategies we go through involve purchasing on an exchange and then sending from said exchange to maybe another exchange or a wallet. So it's important to not be foreign to sending from wallet to wallet, but it's pretty simple once you do it a few times. So that's just what I want to show you real quick. So as for our example, I'm going to show you how to send from wallet to wallet, and we're going to do from keplrwallet to keplrwallet. So I have my test wallet here, and then on my other tab I have my keplrwallet here. So I'm going from my main wallet that I use to the test wallet on the other tab, the test wallet I'm using for the course. So I'm going to send from one wallet to the other. And so I'm going to send my spare atom I have here that I don't use. I'm going to send that to that wallet. So basically we're just going to click send. Here you have the option to cycle through all the different chains they have. I click on Cosmos. I'm going to click send. And then firstly, you have to have a recipient, and then you'll select the amount, etc. So recipient, you can think of this the same way you could think of sending a letter. You need an address to send that letter to. If you don't have an address, it's not going to go anywhere. If you have the wrong address, it's going to go to the wrong place. So you have to have the right address, and a simple way to do this, get the right address without messing up and just knowing that you have the right address, is simply go to your destination spot. So here's where we're sending from. We want to go to our destination and get our address. Boom, literally took like 15 seconds to get here. So it's as simple as that, sending wallet to wallet. You just need to make sure that you have the right address. So I recommend doing the copy and paste or the QR code method if you're sending from phone to a desktop. But just always make sure and, verify maybe the first few digits and then the last few, just to ensure that, and be confident in it. And another thing I like to do when I'm sending mass amounts, I will send a very small portion, just like a test amount, to the address that I saved to ensure that it is right. So I'll send maybe 1,000, say I have 1,000 tokens that I want to send somewhere. I'll send 20 of those tokens to that address. And if my tokens show up, I know the address is good and we're all set to go. I do that every single time I'm adding a new address, no matter what. Now, this was obviously a small amount, so I didn't really do that, but just take that into consideration and consider using it because it could save you some loss. Okay, so that is as basic as it is for wallet to wallet. Now, one thing I want to show you and this is that demonstration I just did, is really how it works for exchange to wallet. It's as simple as that. On an exchange, it'll just ask you, let me just go to an exchange. Let's go to BitTrue. So here we are on BitTrue. Now I'm going to use the example of sending XRP to Metamask. So I'm not going to send the XRP just because I have all my XRP on BitTrue that I have on this account tied up in limit orders and futures. So I'm not gonna undo some of that stuff, but the principle and the method still stands the same. I don't have to send it just so I don't have to send it for the demonstration. I'm just going to show you the process of it. So we have XRP and we want to send it to MetaMask. So let's click on MetaMask. Okay. And if you come to import tokens on here, you're going to type in XRP. It's not going to pop up. You'll have wrapped XRP because that is on, wrapped things are on Ethereum mainnet. So you'll see many things that are wrapped, like maybe you'll see wrapped BNB, but that just means it's a wrapped Bitcoin. That just makes it so it's able to be incorporated on the Ethereum network. But yeah, so as we see here, XRP is not available on the Ethereum mainnet, so we cannot add it to this net that we have. So you see how, And we went through this before, how you can add different networks to your thing. We're on the Ethereum network right now. So we need to add some network that is compatible with XRP, okay? So let's click Add Network. And so we're going to have to add a brand new network. And we're going to have to get these details and how you're going to do that. And this is going to go for anything. Okay, what I did, I kind of went through the Googling already, but you'll just go to Google and say, let's say you want to add VeChain. You'll type in, how do I add VeChain to MetaMask? And it'll bring up, well, first of all, for VeChain, it'll bring up that you can't add VeChain to MetaMask and you can't add the VeChain network to MetaMask because that's just how it is. I already went through that because I was going to use it as the example, but you can't add that. But for XRP's sake, here's how you add. All I did was type in add XRP to MetaMask. Here's how to add XRP to MetaMask. Log into MetaMask, add the Binance Smart Chain network. Okay, so Ripple or XRP Ledger, which is the respective network for XRP, is not compatible with MetaMask. So you have to add something else, which is Binance Smart Chain. So it says you firstly have to add Binance Smart Chain, the network, to your MetaMask. So what are we going to do? We're going to go to Google, type in Binance Smart Chain MetaMask. Simple as that. You can click on any one of these. I click on this, and basically you just need to get the details. Once you do this a few times on your own, even in this video, I hope you're following along, you should be a natural and it shouldn't be a problem anymore. And I know this can kind of be frustrating, but it's just kind of the way things are right now. I feel that in the future, things will be much more simplified, kind of the same way with how Google was, in the past, where you had to type in exactly what you were looking for. There was no keyword suggestions. There was no typing in half of a sentence and getting what you were looking for. You had to type in exactly what you were looking for. And I feel like this complicated stuff that I'm going through right now, I just don't think this will exist in the future because, there has to be frictionless for it to be adopted by the people, which really is the plan. Yeah. So I typed that in, I clicked on this, and I found the info we're looking for. So what were we looking for? Let's look at the details we were looking for. We had network name. Oh, network name. Look at that. Smart chain. Well, the network name isn't too important as long as it's something you can differentiate from others, but I'm just going to do Binance Smart Chain because that's what it's called. I don't know why it's just Smart Chain, but okay. Secondly, we need the RPC URL. RPC URL. Copy that. Paste it over. Boom. Chain ID. Paste it. Currency symbol is BNB. Done. This is optional, but I'm still going to add it. It's the block explorer. And it's like that. We saved it. So now we have BNB, or Binance Smart Chain, on our network. And as we know, because we Googled it, XRP is compatible with Binance Smart Chain. And by having Binance Smart Chain, that's the only way you can get XRP on MetaMask. So now that we are on, so we have the three different ones now. We have Polygon, we have Binance Smart Chain, we have Ethereum. So we're on a Binance Smart Chain, as you can see. And now we're going to import tokens. Okay, now we need a token contract address. Okay, so now we have to find the token contract address of XRP. So what I'm going to do, and I already know how to do this because I've done it in the past, we're going to go to CoinMarketCap. Go through the process with you guys. Leave nothing uncovered. I'm going to go to coinmarketcap.com. Okay, you can write down these resources. Okay, and here you can literally look at any cryptocurrency there is in existence for our purpose. And you can also get the contract addresses and all the stuff related to these cryptocurrencies, which is what we want right now, right? So I'm going to search. We're going to search for XRP. Oops. Boom. Okay, here's XRP, and you can see here's the contract. You can see it here for the Binance Smart Chain. We're going to click on that. And so here you will see, so this contract address is going to be different. This is going to be solely related to the Binance Smart Chain compatibility with XRP. So if you're going to be sending XRP from, let's say, one exchange to another, the address is going to be different. It's not going to be the same address. You have to have, it's the same as sending to a different house in the same city, honestly. You have to have the exact address. So just verify things. But anyway, we're going to come here. So let's look at what we needed actually on MetaMask. So we needed the token contract address. So here's the contract address. We're going to copy that, right? Come over to MetaMask. We're going to paste it in there. And it already pulled it all up. They already know the token symbol is XRP, but let's verify that they have the decimal right as well. Decimal's 18, right? And the last few digits of this were DBE, lowercase. Let's make sure that everything's correct. Showing it as higher case. Interesting. 60 DBE. I guess it shows it all as lowercase, and yeah, they all are lowercase. So I guess the different whether it's capital or whether it's lowercase doesn't matter as long as that letter is in it. So okay, so then that is all set. Let me hide that. Okay, so now we can add the token. Beautiful. Look at that. All right, I like that. So now we have XRP set up. So now we have it added. Here we are at the main screen. You can see we have XRP. You can see we have BNB. Now let's go back to Bitrue because we want to send, right? We want to send some tokens here. Let's go to our legacy address. Let's go. So it's not going to let me send. It's not going to let me send from here to my thing because I have all my funds locked up, as I stated. But basically, all you're going to do to send from Bitrue or any other exchange to MetaMask is you're going to come here. This is going to be your destination. So you're going to copy that to clipboard. You're going to take it here. You're going to paste it. Obviously, I can't paste it, but you're going to put it in there. And then it, as it said, I mean, there's no tag for it. So you can just click no tag, put in the amount, and boom. With this exchange, you have a PIN associated to your account, and it'll ask you to put that in, but that's just for security. And so that's for exchange to wallet. And you would just do the opposite. You would take this, or you would just go here, click send XRP, and you'd put in the destination address. So we would go to deposit in this case. XRP. The legacy address page string is just another variation they have out here, but legacy is just stick with legacy, okay? For the time being, unless you find that page string is easier for you. I've never used it, so I don't know, so I can't speak to it. But yeah, why is it not pulling up? Okay, yeah, there we go. So I'm aware if I do not input tag may cause the token lost. So when you're depositing to this account, you need a tag. So you would then copy the XRP deposit address. You'd paste it when you go to the send portion. Then you take your tag, you'd paste that in, and it'll give you the available box to put that into, and you'd send it. So it's as simple as that. You know, just I hope you walk through this video with me because it's really the easiest way to learn this kind of thing is by actually doing it. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have questions, any comments, any concerns, you can, of course, reach out to me to my contact info in the Discord or email. So I will catch you guys in the next video where we're going to be covering single staking pools, single asset staking pools. So I'll see you there.